In this video, I am going to show you how you can easily zip multiple documents into one file. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the video. So as you can see, these are the documents I want to zip into one folder or one file. So what you want to do now is that you want to select all the documents, but in order to zip all these documents into one file, you're going to need a software called WinRAR. So I'm going to leave a link to WinRAR in the description below so you can easily download it, and that's how you'll be able to do what I'm going to do in this video. So with that said, let's continue with the video. So once you've selected all the documents you want to zip into one file, what you want to do now is that you want to right click. So what you want to do is that you want to select all of them like this, and then right click on any of these documents and then click on the add to archive option. But this process can only happen if you have WinRAR installed, like I said earlier. So you're gonna have to download WinRAR. I will leave a link to it down in the description below. So what you want to do now is that you want to click on the add to archive option. Once you do that, select the zip option, and you can easily change the name of your folder or the name of your zipped file. So example, I can name it CV collection. Once I've done that, I can then easily click on the OK option right over here, and if I click on the OK option, it's going to zip all my documents into one file. So as you can see, there is my zip file here right over here, and it's got all these documents in it. So let me show you proof that it has all these documents in it. I'm going to just do this and then copy the file right over here, or move it right over here. Now as you can see, this is my zipped file right over here, and if I click on the extract here, it's going to release all the documents that I placed in it. So as you can see, they are the documents that I zipped into this file right over here. So that's how you can easily zip multiple files or multiple documents into one file or one folder or something like that. So that said, thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.